sa video natin ngayon mga kamestro ay pag-usapan naman natin itong qualification standard para po ito sa Teacher 1 hanggang Teacher 7. Batay po ito sa DepEd Order number 19 Series 2025 na ibinaba po ng Department of Education kahapon June 24, 2025. Alright, so ito po yun, ano? Ito po yung DepEd Order number 19 Series 2025 amended qualification standards for the Teacher 1 to 3, Master Teacher 1 to 4, and School Principal 1 to 4 positions, and the qualification standards for newly created Teacher 4 to Teacher 7 and Master Teacher 5 positions. Yan, sabi ko nga kanina, ito po ay binaba kahapon, June 24, 2025. Pero sa video natin ngayon mga kamaestro, pag-usapan muna po natin itong para sa Teacher 1 hanggang Teacher 7. So ito po ang kanilang qualification standards. So, ito po yung kailangan maabot ninyo para po kayo ay mag-qualify, ano po mga kamaestro, sa inyong ina-apply ang posisyon. Ulitin po natin, ito po yung qualification standard lamang, hindi po ito yung documentary requirements. So yung documentary requirements po ay nandun po yan sa ibinabang dati pang DepEd order na po mga kamaestro. Alright? Yan. So ito po, no? Nakita nyo po dyan, teaching group for teacher, elementary and secondary level. Ito po yung teacher 1 hanggang teacher 7. Okay? So for teacher 1, both for elementary and secondary, salary grade 11. So ang inyo pong education, ang qualification standard for education is bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units in education. And experience po is non-required for teacher 1 position. Training naman po is non-required. And for eligibility, ayan, RA 1080 as amended, teacher elementary and secondary. Next po is for teacher 2, both for elementary and secondary, salary grade 12. Ang inyong pong qualification standard for education is bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units in education. Ang experience po, dapat mayroong 1 year teaching experience. Sa relevant training naman po, kailangan mayroong 8 hours of training in any of or a cumulative of the following curriculum, pedagogy, subject specialization acquired within the last 5 years. So within the last 5 years po dapat ang inyong training for teacher 2 position. And ang eligibility po, same lang din kanina, sabi nanggit po natin. Then teacher 3 for elementary and secondary. Ayan, salary grade 13, bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units in education. Ang inyong pong experience dapat ay 2 years teaching experience. Ayan, so kailangan po kayo ay mayroong 2 years na teaching experience. And ang yung training naman ay 16 hours of training in any or a cumulative of the following curriculum, pedagogy, subject, specialization acquired within the last 5 years. So ito po ay 16 hours naman. Ano po? Kanina sa teacher 2 ay 8 hours. And then dito naman po is 16 hours. Pero ito po ay cumulative. Ayan. Then ang eligibility po ay same lang din. Sa binanggit po kanina sa teacher 1. Next is we have teacher 4. For elementary and secondary. Salary grade 14. Ang inyo pong education ay bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units in education. Ang experience naman pong kinakailangan para po kayo ay makapag-apply ng teacher 4 ay 3 years in teaching experience. Then ang training naman po is 16 hours of training in any or a cumulative of the following curriculum, pedagogy, subject, specialization acquired within the last 5 years. Or, ito po, nadagdag, ano? Pwede po, no? Pwede po ito yung kapalit. Completion of NEA requisite professional development program for career stage 2 for proficient teacher. Alright? So, ito po yung nadagdag, ano mga kamestro? Ito po yung pwede mong pamalit kung wala po kayo itong nasa itaas. And ang eligibility po, same lang din sa binanggit natin kanina for teacher 1. Next po ay ang teacher 5. Ayan, for elementary and secondary, salary grade 15. Ang qualification standard for education is bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units in education. Ang inyo pong experience dapat ay 3 years. Ayan, halos parehas po kanina sa Teacher 4. Ang inyo naman pong training ay 24 hours of training in any of or a cumulative of the following curriculum, pedagogy, subject, specialization acquired within the last 5 years, or completion of NEA requisite professional development program for career stage 2 for proficient teacher. So pareho po kanina sa Teacher 4, ano po. Then ang inyo pong eligibility, same lang din kanina sa binanggit po natin for Teacher 1. Next po ay ang Teacher 6, both for elementary and secondary, salary grade 16. Ang inyo pong qualification standard for education, bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units in education. And ang experience po, kailangan may 4 years teaching experience. Ayan. And ang training naman po is 24 hours of training in any of or a cumulative of the following curriculum, pedagogy, subject specialization, instructional supervision acquired within the last 5 years. Ayan. So ito po yung nadagdag, yung subject specialization. Ayan. Then, pwede rin po ang completion of NEA requisite professional development program for career stage 2 for professional teacher. Then, ang eligibility po ay same lang din sa pinanggit natin kanina for Teacher 1. Then, ito naman po yung panghuli, yung Teacher 7, both for elementary and secondary, salary grade 17. Ang inyong pong qualification standard for education ay bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units in education. Then, 4 years teaching experience. Then, ang training po is 32 hours of training in any of or a cumulative of the following curriculum, pedagogy, subject specialization, instructional supervision acquired within the last 5 years. And, same lang din po kanina, yung completion of NEA requisite professional development program for career stage 2 proficient teacher. Then, ang inyong pong eligibility, same lang din po kanina sa Teacher 1, RA 1080 as amended, Teacher Elementary and Secondary. Okay? So, yan po yung qualification standard mula po Teacher 1 hanggang Teacher 7. Ayan. So, sa next episode po natin ay abangan nyo po yung para naman po sa Master Teacher 1 hanggang Master Teacher 5 and yung para po sa School Principal 1. Ayan. So, yan po ay gagawin po natin sa mga susunod po nating video. Alright? So, kung may mga katanungan po kayo tungkol dito, pwede po kayong mag-comment dyan sa comment section po natin and try po natin sagutin kung alam po natin ang kasagutan sa inyong mga katanungan patungkol po dito sa qualification standard na nakaayon po sa DepEd Order number 19 series of 2025. Alright? So, dito natatapusin itong ating video ngayon mga kamestro. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na ina-upload natin. Katulad ito, yung mga updates pa rin about sa DepEd and syempre sa mga benefits ng mga teachers and government employees. Syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para ma-notify ka, always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!